Yesterday, several of you were reporting to me that WhatsApp was failing on your Huawei devices. After doing a little more thorough research, I realized that it wasn't WhatsApp but WhatsApp Business. On the affected devices, the WhatsApp Business session would close completely and an error message would appear saying, "You need the official WhatsApp application to use this account." If you don't use the official WhatsApp application, you can put your privacy and security at risk. Use WhatsApp to sign up or log back in. The detail was that multiple users attempted uninstalling and reinstalling the app, but the issue remained unresolved. They were restarting their cell phone and the problem was not resolved. So, it appears that the problem was unexpectedly resolved, which raises many uncertainties. The fact that the application suddenly failed and then suddenly started working again, the truth is that it is extremely strange and hard to comprehend. This seems to have been a problem directly from WhatsApp servers, but the other issue we are facing is that it only happened on Huawei devices. A number of users on TikTok have also started reporting this issue, where different comments mentioning various models such as Huawei P40, P60, Y9A, several devices from the Nova series like Nova 8, Nova 9 SE, Nova 10 SE, can also be read by users on the platform. And the problem affected different parts of the world, as it is not only reported problems from Mexico, but also in the comments it is read that it happened in Peru, in Colombia, and in other regions. At present, a number of the users who were impacted have also verified in their latest posts that WhatsApp is functioning once more, but the cause of the issue remains unclear. We've asked Huawei if they have any info, and we're waiting for their response. However, regrettably, Huawei doesn't have a significant amount to do because WhatsApp is not officially accessible in the app gallery. So I seriously doubt they have the ability to get in touch with Meta in order to find out what caused this problem. However, in the event that this problem occurs again, kindly refrain from uninstalling the application if you do not possess a backup, as the majority of individuals have reported losing all of their chats due to the absence of a backup. Therefore, they only had the groups they were enrolled in, just like what happens with the regular WhatsApp application when you uninstall it and reinstall it without having a backup. Only in Huawei things become a little more complicated because you cannot save your backup on Google Drive, but you need to make this backup locally and then back it up locally. So the process is quite complex and will surely be a problem that will cause annoyance to many users who may already be living comfortably in Huawei without Google services officially. But after this, maybe they will doubt whether to stay there or switch to another system.